don't they happen no.
Where they
You
happen?
don't they happen no.
Where they happen?
You hear am? You don't they happen no.
Where they happen again?
You never hear am again.
I never hear am.
You never hear am before.
Wetin dey happen?
Say as it stands now, you don't they happen for Salvation Ministry again. Say glory don't they reign again for this 2024.
Glory.
Glory don't they reign now. You never hear am say glory they reign for Salvation Ministry
I dey
2024.
hear am since years. But I never hear this one wey happen this year.
This year own na for January 22. January 22, January 22, 2024. Now the glory dey happen. Na that day wey this glory dey start. So as it stands like this, me I no wan make anybody come worry my life, because anybody wey go that program, they dey receive blessing, they dey receive miracle. Any evil spirit wey dey hold them before, wey dey hinder them make they no make am for life, as you just enter there, e go free you. As the man of God go pray for you, go minister, everything go clear. E go dey like magic go.
Daddy, I need to go that glory rain. That will carry all my family go. Where person no bother.
You need to invite everybody, not only you.
Listen, me and go bless everybody. Everybody glory go rain for their head. In Jesus' name.
As you just pass for road, anybody wey you see for road,
where the glory rain.
No be only your family o. As the glory wan rain like this, for 22 of January, 22nd of January, 2024, which is about 8 days from now, e good say as you dey comot for road, as you dey go anywhere wey you dey go, make you dey invite people, because as you invite people,
they come too much, cause they go there. Where they go there?
Maybe they go there now.
They go there.
They go there invite people, because the more you invite people, the more blessing you will get. You never
people go full that day. People go full that day. I get plenty people to invite. I don't want person to give me problem for this year.
You never
this year, only me won't get my glory. They get my glory.
Only you wan get. Not be blessing wey only one person dey get o. You never hear when Pastor David Obebe dey talk say the more you win souls, the more blessing you get. So wetin dey try tell you be say go and win more souls.
I'll win more souls.
Tell more people. So that
more people,
as you dey tell them na so God dey bless you.
Don't worry, I will tell plenty people. No worry, that day everywhere go full, everywhere go jagaban.
As me I dey like this, I know say for this year, as I dey tell people about this thing, I don already make am for life o.
Then who can tell you that glory rain? Who come inform you?
You never see am on all social media platform wey dey do advert say glory rain. Even the rally wey dey do Saturday, you no go, you no see am.
You know see, na hustle I dey hustle since.
Na hustle dey hustle.
I dey hustle.
Even for Ogoni Market Place, one YouTube channel wey dey call Ogoni Market Place, you never dey see am for that place. Say glory dey rain, say they dey do advert there.
Maybe na the Nokia touch I dey use.
Say na the Nokia touch wey dey use. No worry, after this glory rain, that your Nokia touch, you go change am to Android phone.
I will use.
Say amen. You no dey believe God.
I dey believe God na. Where the glory rain first.
Na the glory go rain for your life na. After the glory go rain for your life. Finish. Na this small phone wey dey use now. God go change am. You go use Android phone. Even for the church yourself, like you see even go there, person dey just come bless you with that brand new phone. You know dey believe God. Yes, na me dey do na.
I believe God na. God can do everything.
You see that man wey dey go Pastor David Obebe? That man na man wey God call o. He no dey carry ministry play o.
He dey there wey God call am. He dey there wey God call am.
God dey call am every time. You don't know. Na one of the man of God wey be say God call, wey be say he no dey carry him work play. As he pray for you, you must receive miracle. If you say, if you no get money, as he pray for you, breakthrough, everything go open. As today like this way, they tell me say you no get Android phone now, as you just waka enter there like this, they waka dey enter there like this, as you dey come mad, you just get favour. Person go say, if na phone be apply, na connect.
Yeah, na so.
Na so e dey be na.
No worry, I go reach there, I go go there.
No waste time o. As you dey comot now, advertise for everybody. They tell everybody. They pass everybody. They go.
For now,
Share.